Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 27th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we've been going up pretty nice, pretty steady. We do not have a bounce out of Fibonacci retracement level yet. We do not have a nice engulfing move to the downside or anything telling us to look for shorts yet. I am still looking at this as a possible end of a wave B coming soon. But when you're talking about the daily time frame, soon could be 2 weeks away, it could be a month away. There's no reason to think that this may not go all the way back up to these previous highs and maybe even higher. So definitely for now, still very bullish. No reason on the daily time frame to think otherwise. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, if you've been doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of every single little pullback you see, then you definitely have been doing pretty well. Now we have a double top right here, so if it goes down and breaks this low, the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on there. Like I said, anything I see to the downside, I'm still looking at as possibly nothing more than a pullback within an uptrend, at least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise. I am still doing nothing but looking for logs at the end of every pullback I see. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.